Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into something super exciting, AI crypto profits. Now, if you've been struggling to make money online, especially in the crypto space, but you don't want to invest in coins or deal with the complexities of mining, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. I know how frustrating it can be. A few years ago, I was in the same position, trying out every possible method, from online surveys to affiliate marketing, yet still struggling to see consistent profits. I spent hours searching for the next best strategy, only to end up feeling stuck. That's why when I came across AI Crypto Profits, I knew I had to check it out. It's a fully automated system designed to help you tap into the booming crypto market without any tech skills, writing content, or even spending on expensive tools. Here's how it works. AI Crypto Profits sets up a complete crypto news website for you, one that updates itself automatically with the latest news from top sources every single day. You don't have to worry about posting content manually or dealing with technical setups. Once it's running, your website continuously attracts visitors who are interested in crypto, and that's where the monetization comes in. The system integrates rotating ads with cloaked affiliate links, meaning that every time a visitor clicks around your site, there's a chance for you to earn commissions. One of the standout offers inside AI Crypto Profits is CryptoTab, a browser that lets users mine Bitcoin without any expensive hardware. Just from this one ad alone, the creator of AI Crypto Profits has already earned over $1,000, and that's just one revenue stream. But what really makes this system stand out is its flipping potential. You can actually take these automated crypto news sites and sell them for a profit on marketplaces like Flippa. People are willing to pay anywhere from a few hundred to a couple $1,000s for a site that's already built and generating traffic. Imagine setting up multiple sites, earning passive income from affiliate commissions, and then flipping them for quick cash whenever you want. It's a double-layered profit system, and everything is covered step by step in the training. The best part? You don't need any prior experience to get started. AI Crypto Profits is designed for complete beginners. The setup process takes less than 30 minutes, and the system runs on autopilot after that. You get full training that walks you through the entire process, from launching your site to optimizing it for maximum earnings. And to make things even more interesting, there are some incredible fast action bonuses included. You get white label licenses to premium marketing tools, like a bulk SMS application, a social media marketing tool, a website builder, a bio link generator, and more. These bonuses alone are valued at nearly $5,000, and they're included for free if you act fast. One of the things I appreciate most about AI Crypto Profits is that it eliminates the usual roadblocks that hold people back from making money online. You don't need to be a writer, you don't need to know how to code, and you don't have to worry about generating content. Everything is done for you, and the training shows you exactly how to make it work. If you're wondering about the risk, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out without any pressure. If for some reason it's not for you, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. At the end of the day, AI Crypto Profits is all about working smarter, not harder, instead of chasing complicated methods or spending months trying to figure things out. This system gives you a plug-and-play solution that's already been tested and proven. Whether you want to generate passive income from crypto commissions or flip sites for quick profits, this is a strategy that can work for you. So, if you're ready to stop wasting time and start building a real online income stream, AI Crypto Profits could be exactly what you need. I've put the link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Does this sound like something you'd try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.